Let's work the same problem but not use the formula. We're trying to find at what height it reaches its maximum height. So this is h equals, so you want h to be large to reach its maximum. And here's plus 150. Now, anytime, any number other than 3, let's say 4. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 squared is 1, but you're multiplying it by negative 16. This term is always going to be negative, and that means you would be subtracting that from 150, so you wouldn't be at a maximum for your height. So it would be nice if we could add to 150 to think about a maximum, but we can't do that because of this negative 16, you're always going to be subtracting. But if you let t equal 3, that means this factor, 3 minus 3, will be 0. So you will not be adding or subtracting. You will not be subtracting anything from the 150. Now it says, so here would be the maximum at time t equals 3, but it says 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum. So we're talking about 3 plus 2, or t equal 5. And that's going to be the number that you're going to plug in for time to figure out what the height is. And that's where we got the negative 64 plus 150. And then that's how we got 86.